found out you wanted.
We are on our way to the airport to pick up the OB11 winner.
We're gonna pick up Allison and she's gonna take home OB11 baby. We're pumped because this chick's driving this truck home 30-something hours back to California, so it's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. And
Number 2 on California winners in a row.
oh boy.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Hello, dude. Camera. Nice to meet you. Dylan.
I'm Noah.
Noah, pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to finally meet you.
Yes.
How's it going, man?
Hey, good, man. How you doing?
Hi, Allison.
Frank.
Hi.
Trying to remember Noah, Frank.
It's just this is our shop truck.
Okay.
It gets used and abused, but
Abused is the best word to put it. If you look at the rear bumper, we had some fun the other day.
Yeah, definitely didn't.
Oh, yeah.
This is what I always wanted to have, now I'm gonna give it away. So when you guys drive it up, I'm like, damn, it's gonna hurt so bad. I'm like, no!
It's Frank's color, ruby red.
Yeah, we're pulling to the shop right now.
Nice.
So here, huh?
you ready?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, I felt the build-up right there. Oh, man.
We had to give you a little bit of a fake out.
Damn.
Wow, it is so nice.
I told you it's bigger in person. It looks gigantic in person. Yeah, you can turn it on.
Wow, dude. That
Crank
is
this thing
so
up.
comfortable,
Turn
dude.
it on?
Yeah, crank it up.
Okay.
Holy smokes.
There you go, big
Oh
truck.
my gosh,
She loves the cool seats. She loves it.
I love them. I
Um,
love the massage, dude. Like, this is so comfortable.
Truck's pretty sweet. It's almost
Yeah, dude, this is
damn near
insane.
fully loaded. So,
Dude,
fully loaded,
Yeah.
350 King Ranch.
It's amazing.
You got a diesel truck now. Pretty sweet.
Yes. Oh my
what's
gosh.
that thudding?
That's my foot.
Oh.
Sorry. I'm all excited over here. I'm like,
He gets the nervous leg.
I am getting the nerve. This is just nerve wracking for you guys. This for me. I'm like,
Dude, yeah, dude. Tell him what happened when you told me that you won this thing. Tell him.
It's like embarrassing. You know, Martin Kane called me,
Yeah.
and I was like, oh my, like I was like freaking out. And I called him and he was at work. I'm gonna just drive over to like tell him in person, you know? Okay, the sun blinded me, but I was also like super excited and like freaking out. But anyway, I turned left into where he was working and I crashed into a power pole.
no.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You alright?
And I told him, well, the airbag went off and I like.
Oh my
Are you
goodness.
serious?
I'm not hurt at all. I'm totally fine. I like burned my arm a little bit. You can't even see it anymore. But over to him and I'm like, well, I just crashed my car into the power pole, but I have some really exciting news.
Wait.
Just leave that
That's the worst scenario you could have.
Yeah,
You're
so-
telling me you found out you won and crashed your car. I love it. I don't love it, but it's like, wow.
and I just found out it is totaled, so it's like
Well,
I need a new perfect time.
Perfect.
Yeah, it worked out.
New truck.
scammers that go out there that pretend
Yeah.
to be.
That must be
company.
super frustrating
It's
for you guys.
it's frustrating because Facebook and Instagram and the platforms won't do anything to help us. You see the fake
Yeah.
accounts, we complain about it, and they don't do anything about it.
Right.
And there's
Yeah.
like nothing we can do. If
Because
I go
they-
delete all the accounts, I
they
would,
pop
or
up every
report them, or do something. But
Yeah.
I went to the police station multiple times, and they
Like,
can't do anything about it.
Yeah.
If anybody asks for money, it's not us.
Our Instagram literally says we do not DM about prizes. Do we DM you guys about prizes?
No.
No. So don't answer those DMs. They're fake. Thank you.
We will pay for your flight here. You owe us nothing. 0.
Steven setting up for the group photo going down right now.
A little to the left, a little to the right.
That way, you never want to be alone, you know. Here, get the old Peter popper out.
You need it.
This man is a pro.
He had it up and ready before you got there.
Sure.
Ooh.
I'm gonna need your signature on this thing right here. We're gonna go tape it on the board.
On your spot in Cali.
Put it where I live.
Put action to live, yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
Hey, yeah.
Heck yeah, it's official.
All right, now we have to do it. Where's your guesses on the next winner for OB12?
Whoever predicted it over there. I think Colorado.
Colorado? All right. Heck yeah.
Yeah. I think Colorado.
Texas.
My guess?
Texas.
My guess is Texas, Tennessee. I'd like to see a Canadian winner too.
On the map. Took the photos.
We got to sign some paperwork at Pete's.
Yep.
So we make everything 100% official.
I think we should, if you guys want to, drive your truck to the shop. Up to you guys, your truck. I'm just saying.
sure.
So on that note, we're gonna go to the shop and show them the print shop, baby.
Also, don't forget, you guys can get entered to win this by just downloading our app, and you could have that Sportsman 570 in your driveway.
What?
Wait, Mitch, you know this? Her mom owns like a print shop type of deal.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's really
Dang.
sweet.
That's a full circle. Every winner we've had, we've always had some kind of full circle moment with them.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So her and Peter be best buddies. Watch this.
Literally.
Add it to the phone, dude.
Yeah. Wow.
It's on the right side. We have all of the merch printed and bins folded. And also,
Oh, dang. I would have seen that.
where's Peter? We'll have Peter give you the. Ron, is Peter up there?
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Walk into the club like, what up? I got a
Outstanding. That's perfect. These are signed. I'm gonna make copies of these. This is your check for $30,000.
Thank you.
I'm gonna send you home with. I'm gonna put everything, all the originals, in an envelope. You have your insurance, title signed off. You have your check. I have an envelope. As soon as we get copies of everything, you are. Well, actually, congrats. You're the official
Thank
owner
you.
of the entire
Woo!
setup.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, guys.
Congrats, Allison.
I appreciate it. It's crazy.
It's amazing. You guys are so
Pretty crazy.
awesome.
It won't hit.
I like the brisket.
Yeah, the brisket's really
Dude,
good.
talk about it. That's when you go.
Boom.
Congratulations, guys. You won.
Yeah. We'll definitely keep in touch.
Oh, for sure. Got to send us the photos.
Yes.
So.
Let's take photos later.
Take a look at this thing.
You're too late.
Sorry, it's already taken.
Oh, safe travels home.
So so much.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you so
Nice
much.
meeting you.
guys are great.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. It was really
Later,
nice
man.
meeting you.
Nice to
Have
meet
a
you.
good one.
Yep.
Pleasure meeting you. Yeah, I will, dude.
Oh wait, we gotta give you t-shirts. We have t-shirts.
Oh, that's right.
Oh yeah, we got some t-shirts.
You know where they're at?
Oh, we get gifts?
Well, we brought you some currently welding t-shirts.
Heck yeah!
We didn't bring enough though, shoot.
That's awesome.
But we
You guys
brought,
are the
like-
first winners to ever
Bring
bring
us
anything.
shirts.
There you guys go.
Awesome, thank you.
Sold. Are you kidding me?
No.
And their Carhartts?
Yeah,
Get out of
there's
here.
a-
One of them. Wow.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, thank you so much, guys.
Guys, thank you.
guys.
Pleasure meeting you all.
Have a good time.
Yeah, we will.
We will. Absolutely.
This one hurts. This one hurts me a little bit, not gonna lie.
Continue the tradition, everybody. Grab the phones.
It's the awkward us standing here waiting.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be stacked a mile high with fence posts.
I hope he uses a Chev and scratches everything. I hope he does.
I think he is.
I hope he used the pickup trailer. He will. I think he used the trailer. All right, guys, that is the OB11 winter video. Sad to see you go. Love to watch it leave, though, man. It's freaking crazy. Allison just took home OB11 blanket. Actually, she bought not a t-shirt. She bought a
Hand scrub.
hand scrub, like $25, and she took home the entire setup. So if you want to be like Allison and want to be 12, swipe up, hit that link, pick up some merch, and get entered to win because you don't know what can happen. It's crazy.
He got the Velcro. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Rager.
Dude,
Ranger.
How loud people I hate, first of all, if you're the type person that you're in a restaurant, like me and Chris went to
Really like my Subaru.
It's literally what just happened. You know, if you're the type of person that you go to a restaurant and you talk super loud, like me and Chris went out to eat, trying to talk about some business shit, and this lady next to us, oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm like, can you stop? Stimulation overload done.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20